Hello. Today, I'm going to show you how to install Screencastify on your computer. First, you want to go to google.com. Then, you want to type in the address bar something like Chrome Web Store or Chrome extensions. Click on the Chrome Web Store link. Then, type in the search bar Screencastify. So that's loaded. Click Screencastify Screen Video Recorder. Then click Get or Install. Click Add Extension. Wait till it's done downloading. Push the X. Now you can close the tab and go back to google.com or go back to your tab and click the Screencastify extension. Then all you have to do is log in with a Google account. Thanks for watching and subscribe.